Just going to do a quick demo of the Greenspace app. It's the same as the one that's available online, except the online version is much slower because it's running on one of the cheapest virtual servers that's available on Amazon. So basically, you can pick one or more cities. I'll just do one for to keep it the demo faster, and I'll get it started. And so when you start processing on the local version, it uses multiple threads to do the processing faster, and it compares the cloud coverage in between 2 years. It uses the methodology data guidelines from the metadata and methodology document, which tells you to get the average or the best of the 8 or 12 months. And so this app basically does that. The online one I had started just a minute before this, so you can kind of see the results that it's getting, and the results. So there's some glitch there, obviously. So it's showing some of the differences between 2020 and 2024, for example, and it shows you the live differences as it continues. The version that you run kind of on your own laptop would, in most cases, run much faster. So the previous one has been running for a while, and in retrospect, I probably should have had a document. Yeah, no, that's an old version. So that's not relevant. So this is probably not going to take too long. Yeah, I'll just crop the video. So as it's showing, doing different versions, in some cases, like we can see here, like it just couldn't find a non-cloudy enough of a day to do the comparison. So that was the best it could get that month. So then you just kind of live with that. Same thing with this month. So I guess maybe this city can be pretty cloudy in certain months. I guess this would be kind of like their fall because they're in the southern hemisphere. Something's off with the progress meter because it's not just 10% done. Yeah, and then it shows you the scores for the whole year and compares and shows a 2020 versus 2024. Green is 2020, and then blue is the new score. And then the map feature, which I just added today, is really nice. It shows you where the green space has been lost, and where it has been gained. And so overall, the city has lost 5% in between the 2 years. And so this shows you the areas that it has lost the green space in. And just by looking at the map, some of these might be just kind of like, maybe this was a new industrial site or something. Yeah. Maybe this one as well, possibly. Some of these might be like former farmlands that are no longer farmlands or something like that. Maybe this is like a new suburb, which would have been yellow-ish previously, but then now has become green because it has a bunch of new trees in the neighborhood or something like that. Anyways, some interesting results for city planners to look at. All right, that's all. Thank you.